Hey, City George sent me a huge care package today, so I'm super excited because they sent me so many goodies and I really want to try them. I also made 2 previous videos about their products, so if you didn't see them, go check them out. And let's jump into this video. Let's start with this. I was happily surprised to see this travel bag in all the goodies. It's super cute. They also sent me the Heart Eyes mascara. If you've seen my previous videos, you must know that I love this mascara. It's actually one of my favorite mascara because it's got 2 brush in 1 tube and it literally doesn't clump your eyelashes. It just makes your natural lashes pop and you don't have to use it on fake lashes. You can use it by itself. They also sent me this Lash Serum, so I'm super excited about that and I'm gonna dedicate a video about this. So stay tuned because when I do, the video will be linked right here. Because it's a lash serum, it needs to be used for a few months to actually see results. So I'm gonna be trying this every day for a long period of time and film it every time I'm applying it so that I can show you afterwards if it does work or not. Yeah. Next, they sent me 3 cute little boxes. I think this one is the Supernatural series. So you got Nova, Luna, and Halley. I think Luna is the most natural looking lash, Nova is the most fluffy one out of the 3, and Halley must be the medium one. What's special about this series is that they are super natural, so they don't have a black waterline, a line holding them. It's transparent. It should look like natural looking lashes on you. So I'm really excited to try these ones. They also sent me this set, which is called the Girl Naturale Box Set. Inside it you got this tweezers, a liner bond, translucent and black, and 3 pairs of lashes. If you've seen my previous videos, you must have noticed the same thing that I just noticed, and it's the new packaging of the liner bonds. It used to be made out of plastic and right now it feels cold and metallic. So this is the clear liner bond. And the black liner bond. And I can see that they call them Liner Bond Pro. So I'm excited to see what they've done with these 2 products, if they changed and how they changed. And finally, another set just like the previous one, but this one is called Heavenly Box Set. It's got 1 clear liner bond pro, 1 black liner bond pro, 1 pair of Aurora lashes, Cassiopeia lashes, and Astra lashes, and these ones are also supernatural lashes, so they have a translucent wire attached to them so that it looks supernatural, especially combined with the liner bond clear. So I'm gonna try them on and let me know in the comments which ones you prefer, and if you have any questions I'm happy to answer in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe. So I'm gonna start with one of the Supernatural lashes. Yes, I am a fan of the Supernatural series. It's another story. I think I'm gonna go gradually for each series. So I'm gonna start with the most subdued one, and then the medium one, and then the super flashy, fluffy one. Because it's a lot of lashes, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to stick them on and off. So I'm gonna start with the clear ones and put some clear liner bond on, and then move on to the black wired lashes. So what they say on the website about the Supernatural series is that it's a clear band for a supernatural look and lightweight, super flexible, waterproof, and easy to clean, durable use up to 40 times. So I'm gonna start with Luna, and these look so natural already. They really look light and fluffy, like fairy lashes.
'Cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. Without your love, I am out of place. And without you, I am just a trace. I love you with all of my heart. Together forever, never to part. I wanna be with you always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. Always, yeah. You are my world in every place. Oh, it's the things that you do. It's the things you do, baby. And it's the smile on your face. Smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. A better place. In a better place. It's the things that you do. The things that you do. And it's the smile on your face. The smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. A better place. In a better place.
My man, you made a permanent home in my head. You moving like a goddess, come my way, my way, my way. Your hips on the move, only a real one can do what you do. I caught a body, but you was the shooter. Damn. Shot me down one time, now you wanna hug me down, long time. Funny how the love can change sometimes. So we say, hey, Paco Papago, I'm pulling up on you. Let me show you my world. Oh. She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh
Adicto a ti, mi flaca. Tu cuerpo sacude como un maraca. Te miro y miro, so sube y baja. Como en Caracas bailamos al ritmo del bajo y la caja. Y tú mi África, yo tu casino en América. Quiero bambinos contigo, ma. Te beso bien suave en el limón, ma. Quiero con vino limón, no sé. Tu cuerpo es un carnaval, yeah. Tus ojos trascendental, y tu espíritu natural. Me enamora con besos en el piñal, yeah. De África al tropical, nuestro amor es transnacional. Lo que tenemos presidencial, aquí la vista es
Told me that I
espectacular.
make her feel alive. Nah, you got it. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Can't wait to show you off. Come out, I'm pulling up. Come out, I'm pulling up, yeah.
Oh ma, lo que tengo contigo ma. Esto está fijo ma.
She told me that I make